What are the advantages of refined steel profiles? 1. The appearance is consistent with that of aluminum profile, and the outer angle is 90 degrees right angle. Both refined steel profiles and aluminum profiles have a flat, straight, smooth, regular and beautiful appearance, and the outer angle is a 90-degree right angle. The appearance of the finished product is consistent with that of the aluminum profile. 2. Refined steel profiles are thinner, under the same conditions. Compared with aluminum profiles, refined steel profiles can achieve smaller volume and higher strength. It is particularly prominent in the design and application of ultra-high span glass curtain wall, which can make the main structure of the curtain wall more slender, beautiful and excellent lighting performance. Especially in modern special-shaped high-rise buildings, the daylighting of large flat buildings has no dead angle. 3. Refined steel profiles have higher structural strength and greater resistance. Due to the strength advantage of the steel itself, the refined steel can increase its strength by implanting stiffeners in the cavity while reducing its volume. At the same time, it meets the requirements of large permeability and high strength. The reinforcing rib plate in the refined steel cavity of strong system uses the traditional Chinese mortise and tenon structure, and its structural strength is better. 4. Refined steel profiles have rich sections and flexible topological properties of special-shaped structures. Refined steel sections are divided into T-shaped, rectangular, cross-shaped, I-shaped, trapezoidal, airfoil, etc. Among them, rectangular refined steel sections are widely used, and rectangular refined steel such as mesh-shaped, inner cross-shaped can be obtained by strengthening in the mortise and tenon joint cavity. Refined steel profiles can be customized not only for long-span linear modeling, but also for a variety of long-span streamline modeling and grid structures such as rotation, distortion and arc bending. 5. Fabricated structure, convenient and fast. In response to the national requirements for building energy conservation, emission reduction, green and low carbon, the refined steel of strong system adopts a unique fabricated structure. All parts and components are prefabricated in the factory, and the project site only needs to assemble according to the drawings. The construction process is simple and fast, and is not affected by many external factors. Strong System can also provide welded node connection according to the needs of the project, so as to complete the split unit welding within the factory to the greatest extent, and the project site only needs hoisting and assembly welding. 6. There is no need for high mold opening cost of abrasive tools. In case of special section requirements, aluminum profiles need to customize corresponding abrasives, and the mold opening cost is high. The manufacturing process of refined steel profile is different from the extrusion method of aluminum profile, but it is processed by cold bending and assembly welding. Therefore, there is basically no special mold opening cost. Refined steel profiles, like aluminum profiles, will be damaged to varying degrees if they are greatly squeezed or bumped during transportation. In order to maximize the protection of refined steel profiles, the external packaging of Strong System will choose according to different conditions, including but not limited to multiple protective measures such as film covering, craft paper, wrapping pearl cotton, anti-collision isolation cardboard, wood frame, special transportation support, etc. The advantages of refined steel profiles are far greater than those of aluminum profiles and aluminum-clad steel materials. There is no corrosion potential problem, it is not easy to deform, has the same life as the building, has simple construction, convenient assembly and disassembly of fabricated structures, and has high secondary utilization rate. The refined steel profile of Strong System has large span, large permeability, more slender and excellent workmanship. It is the only choice for refined steel profiles for curtain walls.